खाना खा के जाना हाँ. I'm really sorry. Actually, I was seeing instant khichdi, and Hansa really got stuck in my brain for some reason. But in times like this, I think you know, just binge watching all your funny series is one of the best things that I have been able to cope up with my stress. Also, that has been one of the reasons why I did not put any other videos out. Actually, मैंने record करके काफ़ी रखा था, but A editing का बिल्कुल mood नहीं था, and B whatever मैंने record किया था, it was not something which was helpful in this time of stress. And then I was like, genuinely at one point I actually thought ki I just want to keep out putting out content, or I want to put some meaningful content out there. And honestly whatever मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया था वो इतना मीनिंगफुल था नहीं, इतना हेल्पफुल था नहीं, तो मैंने उसको एडिट करके अपलोड नहीं किया. बट द वीडियो दैट आई वांट टू शेयर विद यू गाइस टुडे इज समथिंग which I have been doing during the lockdown time, and which is my self care. I'm not seeing my daily skincare routine. What I'm seeing is my self-care routine, which is basically अभी salons नहीं जा पा रहा, तो salon को आप घर पे कैसे ला सको. It is as simple as that. I did my own facial like 2 or 3 times, and for that I used all the Himalaya products. This is a video, you can check this video out. This is exactly what I did for my facial. But for other things, what I did, that is what I wanted to share with you guys. So I had basically recorded this video in mid of April, and I was going to put it on my IGTV, but I completely forgot because यार everybody is very much stressful. भाई नहीं आ रही, कुछ नहीं आ रहा है, सब खुद को करने टाइम नहीं मिल रहा है, and I basically just completely forgot about it. And now I thought that I can just share it with you guys over here, so it might be helpful to you guys now. Also अभी भी salons चालू नहीं है, so you can definitely use these things. You can use any products that you have. You don't have to use the same products that I have used. अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो you can just tweak the routine as per your likings and your needs. Also, I have already used this, the Ordinary AHA BHA 30% solution. I have done a detailed review of this one. I'll leave the link in the eye and in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. And I have been using this for chemical exfoliation. Other than this, if you want to know what was my self-care routine during the quarantine time, then keep on watching. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're new, hi, my name is Grace. I hope to keep on seeing you over here. And now, after the longest introduction in the history of introductions, let's begin. I'm going to start by using Cara Beauty Radiance and Lifting Face Mask in the gold version. It says that it is going to rejuvenate and renew my face. You can use it hot or the way it is. So that is good. Now I had it for some time and I just wanted to see how it works. You can use any sheet mask that you have, and I don't think it did really a lot for my skin. Honestly, I really don't think the sheet masks work very well, but I have quite a few sheet masks from the whole Korean beauty craze, and now I just want to finish them up. Next, for my under eyes, I'm going to be using this Elderflower foaming eye mask. I got it from my trip in Bali. So honestly, I'm just applying it because I know for a fact that these are very cooling, and in this heat I just wanted something to cool down my eyes, and if it provides a better hydration to my under eye area, then more the merrier. That's the only reason I have applied this. Moving on to my lips, I'm going to be using my Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I absolutely love this one, and every time I want to take extra care for my lips, this is what I apply. And most days I apply it when I'm actually going to bed, and this works beautifully. Next, moving on, I'm going to shape my face, and for that I'm going to be using this blade which I got in my Miniso. I'll leave the link to the Miniso haul in my description box. These are really sharp, and so you have to be very careful. I've been shaving my face for close to, I think, 2 to 3 years now, so I have got quite a hang of it. But if you're new, then please take all the precautions and do it in sections. I usually prefer to do this after applying a mask because I feel that the mask makes my face hair more soft and easy to remove. I prefer not to use any kinds of oil or soap on my face when I'm shaving because I feel it gives me an extra slip, and which can cause basically cutting your face, which I really don't want to do. So this is what works for me. I'm going to be using the same blade to remove the hair between my eyebrows and to give my eyebrows some sort of definition. Please be extremely careful when you are using any blade around your eye area. Next, I'm going to take my trusty tweezers and pluck out all the extra stray hair that I have around to make sure that my eyebrows are nice and defined. Also, I did not have extra long hair, so I did not have to cut them. But if your eyebrow hair are very long, you can definitely cut it out. Once I'm done with all this, I'm going to slather my face in a thick aloe vera gel, and I'm going to keep it on my face for a good 10 to 15 minutes. So once I have waited for 10 minutes, I'm going to get rid of my under eye mask, and then I'm going to take ice in a clean cloth and I'm going to apply it all over my face. I prefer to use I prefer to use ice pack after shaving because I feel that it helps me soothing my skin, and also it helps with inflammation if I have any. Also, it shrinks the pores so that no grime or gunk goes and settles into it. Also, in this heat, the cold ice just feels so good against the skin. But please make sure that you do it extremely gently and you apply it all over your face, otherwise you will give yourself ice burns. So please be careful. And that's it. Those are all the steps that I took to groom myself during this lockdown. So if you're motivated to take care of yourself in the same way, then please let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care and be safe.